In this video, I show you my overflow detection project, which I have made with a water sensor, an Arduino, and a buzzer. Now, what will happen when I pour the water into this mug is when the water reaches the level of this red thing, the buzzer will get activated, and let us try pouring it. You can see that when the water touches this red part, the buzzer produces a sound. Let's look at the tutorial. You will need an Arduino Uno board, a water level sensor or a water sensor, a buzzer, a 9-volt battery, the 9-volt battery's connector. This is the power supply for the Arduino. And you will need 3 jumper wires, male to female. If you don't have male to female ones, you can just connect a male to male wire and a female to female wire, which is what I have done over here. So this is a female to female one and a male to male one. If you connect them together like that, you get a male to female. Let's hop on to the tutorial. To connect the buzzer to the Arduino Uno board, you will need to connect the negative terminal, that is the black one, to the ground pin, and you will need to connect the positive terminal to digital pin number 12. Just like that, digital pin 12 and ground. Next, connect the 3 wires which you have to the pins of the water sensor. The wire which is leading from the negative terminal, which is the minus sign, is supposed to go onto the ground pin of the Arduino. Just like that. And the plus symbol, which is the positive terminal, is supposed to go to 5 volts on the Arduino. And the pin which has the symbol S on it, the signal pin, it has to go to any of the analog pins over here. In this case, I am using analog 5, and in code also you have to use analog 5. For the next step, you will need a beaker and some double tape. Just tape it like that, and on top of that you have to connect this sensor, the water sensor. There are 2 precautions which you need to follow while you are conducting the experiment. Make sure it is tightly stuck, and after every round, wipe this sensor with a piece of cloth, because while pouring water and even after draining it out, some water will be on this surface. To remove that, we have to wipe it with a cloth. Next, upload the code onto the Arduino. Don't worry, as I will provide the code in the description. Once it's done, your experiment is ready.